Back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how you can easily add dark mode for your web app just using CSS. So this is my app. Currently it does not have any dark mode, but for my Mac OS I have selected dark mode as my preference. But given that this app does not support dark mode yet, it is displaying like this. Now to add dark mode, like I will just change the background color, but you can change more stuff as well. So what you have to do, just add this media query. Okay, and here you can see, if you see at the top, I am using different background color for my body and container. So if you see, go at the top, my body does not have any color, so my container has a color. Okay, so I'm using this color. Sorry, my body also has a color. So this is this color. But if the user has selected dark mode on his mobile device or on desktop, I'm telling it to use this color. A better way approach would be to use CSS variables, but if you are not using that, you can use something like this as well. I'll just click on save. I'll go back to my app, and here you can see it is switched to dark mode, or whatever color I had selected for my dark mode. So yeah, that's how easy it is. Thank you for watching. Bye.